What would you do with 250 free spins, no deposit needed? Yeah, now we're listening. Welcome to the Nerd Nook Hub, where we untangle casinos without frying your brain. So, Wild Casino, what is it? How do you use it? And what traps should you dodge? It's fast, it's nerdy, and yep, crypto's in the mix. Let's go full send. First up, what exactly is Wild Casino? Launched in 2018, this site is basically the all-you-can-eat buffet of online gaming. Slots? Hundreds. Blackjack and poker? Absolutely. Live dealers? Yup, powered by Fresh Deck and Visionary iGaming. It's licensed in Panama, which sounds tropical, but mainly means it's outside US regulation. So yeah, proceed smartly. Next, how do you move money in and out? Depositing is simple and packed with options. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Solana, Dogecoin. If it's crypto, it probably works here. Credit cards are accepted too, but watch out. There's a 9.75% fee. Cashing out? Crypto is still the fastest, usually 1 to 2 business days. You can also use bank wire, check by courier, or even money orders, but expect higher minimums and longer processing times. Now entering the bonus multiverse. Wild Casino ditches the usual match bonus and hands you 250 free spins up front. That's 25 spins a day for 10 days, with a $100 total win cap. Free money with a leash. Beyond that, they've got weekly promos rolling through. Think slot boosts, blackjack perks, daily cash races, even raffles with real prize pools. And for the leaderboard crowd, monthly tournaments with tens of thousands up for grabs. Alright, what games are actually worth your clicks? Slots take center stage, with titles from Betsoft, Dragon Gaming, and Rival. No demo mode though, so every spin is real cash. Their live dealer section, legit. Blackjack, roulette, baccarat, and even poker with some quirky side bets. And if you like blackjack with extras, Wild Diamond Sevens is a rare treat. Live side bet action baked in. It's like a casino Zoom call, minus the awkward silences. Last stop, the final nerd checks. Here's what's solid. Loads of crypto support, deep live game variety, daily promos with real value. And the trade-offs. Card deposit fees are steep. Crypto withdrawals can nibble at your total. The game lobby has 0 filters. Scrolling required. Mobile experience? Surprisingly slick. No app needed. Customer support? Live chat that actually lives up to the name. That's Wild Casino decoded. Go forth, play smart, and remember, in the Nerd Nook, we don't chase luck. We chase logic. You've just added +5 to your gambling IQ. Catch you next time in the Nerd Nook Hubs. I'm so good for this thing.